So as I was saying, there's a lot of things that I do not know. There are names that I do not know, parts, all sorts of things like that. So you guys got to really bear with me because I'm learning with you guys. Well, you guys probably know a whole lot more than me, so I'm just learning. This is going to be an amazing adventure. I've always wanted coilovers. So a lot of what's going on here is brand new to me, and happy to have you guys along for the ride. You know, I haven't even touched them yet. I guess I'm gonna have to learn how to drive.
Yeah. The knuckles you have are the early '01 ones. You have a later car, they use totally different sensors. I'm not sure that they physically swap. I know electronically they don't work.
Okay.
But we'll find that out.
Alright.
And it's something I think we were planning on deleting with the whole standalone and everything anyway, but just so you know.
Alright. No ABS. Let's get it. We're gonna learn how to drive. Anyways, I guess that would be a great segue into the channel. I'm sorry about the noise here that we got going on, but we gotta keep Ted cool while he works on Xena here. Today we have something amazing planned for my girl. I'm gonna try and do this without screwing up. But yep, there we go. We got it. We got some BC racing coilovers, ladies and gentlemen. This has been something that I have always wanted. And I am super happy to say that they're here. I went with the BR series. You know, they're adjustable in a couple different spots, but nothing too crazy. We didn't go with no super fluid dampening and stuff like that, just because I'm not a race car driver yet. But this is an amazing set of coilovers to get started with, and you know, let's give you a bit of a cleaner look here at exactly what we're working with. We got that adjustability. I don't know about all the 3-way and 2-way and all that stuff, but some trunk extenders. Like, I'm super happy with this. We got some Swift springs over there. Those are supposed to make a big difference. Or maybe these are the Swift springs. I don't know if they come with them, but they are beautiful set of shocks, as you can tell. In the VR series. And Xena is getting, oh god, the full. Oh god. This car looks so much better. I wish I was tall. Those coilovers sticking out the top, right there. So much better. Man, got a bit of an oil leak, as you can tell. That's why the 2B's got to go in. And we're going to get to her very soon. But yeah, no, Ted got right to work this morning, so I didn't have a chance to really do the unboxing of the coilovers. But it came pretty nicely packaged. Nicer than anything else I get. But yeah, super excited for this. I'm going to stop this because I'm just rambling now. Let's get to it. Basically, I was just saying, like, I'm going to start low and go slow and work my way up to, like, you know, when I actually really need the grip and I know how to corner and when I feel the difference in tires and I can, you know what I mean? The progression.
I mean, you don't even need really crazy street tires. You can kind of rock around on fire rocks on them for a bit and then like RS4 or something.
Okay. That's what I wanted initially, but
They're hard to get right now.
yes, that's what I'm hearing.
But